Master the GRE with the ETS Official Guide. Hello, language learners and aspiring GRE takers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential resources you can use to prepare for the GRE, the ETS Official GRE Guide. If you're serious about your GRE preparation, then this guide is a must-have. Let's break it down. The ETS, or Educational Testing Service, is the official body that conducts the GRE exam. And who better to guide you than the test makers themselves? The ETS Official GRE Guide is their comprehensive resource, designed to help you understand the test's format, see sample questions, and gain insights into the scoring process. The guide isn't just any study material. It's a window into the GRE test structure and logic. Here's why it's invaluable. 1. Authenticity. The questions you see in the guide are from actual GRE tests. This means you're practicing with real-world material. 2. Explanation. Every question comes with detailed explanations, helping you understand not just the right answer but the logic behind it. 3. Strategies. The guide offers tested strategies to tackle different question types, from quantitative comparisons to analytical writing prompts. Just owning the guide isn't enough. Using it effectively is key. Here are some steps to harness its full potential. 1. Begin with a diagnostic test. The guide includes a diagnostic test. Take it to gauge where you stand and identify your strengths and weaknesses. 2. Section-wise study. Tackle one section of the GRE at a time. Dive deep into the explanations and strategies provided. 3. Timed practice. Time is of the essence in the GRE. Use the guide's practice sets to simulate real testing conditions. 4. Review regularly. Return to the guide often. Revisit sections you found challenging, and keep refining your strategies. While the ETS Official GRE Guide is a powerful resource, it's not the be-all and end-all. It's essential to 1. Supplement with other materials. Expand your prep with other books, online resources, and practice tests. 2. Seek feedback, especially for the analytical writing section. Seek feedback from peers, tutors, or online communities to understand different perspectives and improve. The journey to acing the GRE is challenging, but with the ETS Official GRE Guide in your arsenal, you're one step closer to success. Remember, it's not about memorizing answers but understanding the logic and refining your strategies. We hope this video brought clarity about the guide's importance and how to use it. Here's to your GRE success!